Hello and welcome to the fourth lecture. In the previous lecture, we saw the steps to identify an ABCD pattern. In this lecture, I will show you how to practically draw ABCD pattern on the chart. Now, this is a chart of Thermax Limited. Okay, and what I see is there is a swing high here, then a swing low, then there is again a swing high. That means that there are lower highs. Okay, so this can be a probable ABCD pattern. Now simply this is the these are the tools that are available. I'll see here, when you click on the arrow you will see so many tools. Select the ABCD pattern maker, switch on the magnet mode. It will become blue once it is switched on. Click on the swing high, swing low, the intermediate swing, and then D you can leave anywhere, as we need to find this D point. Okay. Now the next step, we need to find the validity of this C point. AC ratio is 0.684. It is very far from 0.618, but it is very near to 0.707. We will just drag the A point and see whether it can come to some more perfect FIBO ratio. So it is going out of the range as 0.907. So it was better there only. We will keep it here. And now the next step is to find our D point. To find the D point, simply double click on this pattern maker. This small window will open. Style, coordinates and visibility. You need to go into the coordinates. Price 1 is A, price 2 is B, price 3 is C, and price 4 is D. We will simply copy paste the first three prices in the Excel sheet. It is 785, then 721.65, the C value is 765. This Excel sheet will automatically calculate the PRZ for all the three variations. The first D point is 701.65. We will just put this value in the price 4 section and click OK. This will automatically give us our D point. We will make it a bit symmetrical and change it value again, 701.65. Okay. Now what we can see is this is our first D point. We will take a horizontal line from this tools. Click the horizontal line anywhere, then double click the line. You can make it visible by changing its color. You can choose any color, increase its thickness. In the coordinates, put the first D point. Our D point is 701.65. The line will automatically come to 701.65. You don't need to adjust it. Now we will find our second PRZ. The second PRZ is found by drawing FIBO. We will select the FIBO fib retracement from here. We will then draw FIBO from B to C. Now we will see which is the nearest FIBO to this 701.65. That is our 703.70. Okay. The first PRZ, I'll just note it down here. 701.65. The second PRZ, we will put the horizontal line there. It is 703.70. We will change the value of this line and click OK. So we have found out the potential reversal zone of this stock. And look at this, guys. This stock has already reversed from this zone exactly. This is a live trade, okay? And you can see it has exactly reversed from the same zone. Now let's move further. I'll delete this FIBO. I'll put my second PRZ now here. Click OK. Now we know how to find out the potential reversal zone. In the last lecture, I told you that this BD ratio will get automatically adjusted. Just double click the pattern, and what you need to do is you just need to change the value of D to 703.70, the second PRZ that we got from the FIBO. And if you see that it has become a perfect ratio, perfect FIBO ratio. So we need to validate this point. This ratio gets automatically adjusted. Okay. Now our next step is to find the target and stop losses. Guys, to find out the target, you need to draw FIBO from C to D. Okay. You draw this FIBO from C to D, and these FIBO lines are your targets. Place some horizontal lines here. 0.236 is not considered as a FIBO ratio to take trade, but if you are a conservative trader, you should book your profits here. Otherwise, your target one is 0.382. If you want, you can change the color of these target lines. Now we can delete this FIBO. How to take the trade, how to trail the stop loss, we will be covering in our coming lectures. Okay. Now we will just update this chart's target. We will round it off. So the targets are 717.96. That comes to 718. The next is 727.16. 727. 734.22. So we will put it just 734. Now we know the targets and we know our PRZ. The next step is to find out the stop loss. To find the stop loss, just click on the FIBO. Draw it from B to C. To find out the stop loss, draw the FIBO from B to C. The FIBO ratio that is below your PRZ, that is the stop loss. We will change the color for stop loss. Now, just backtrack a little bit, that if any time the stock has reversed exactly from our stop loss level, yes, a couple of time it has done. So just move the stop loss little bit below than that, so that your stop loss is not hit. Okay. Now you can delete this FIBO that is drawn and update the stop loss. The stop loss is 691.64. That is 692 rupees. Now friends, our drawing of ABCD pattern is complete. Now you just, what you need to do is you need to save this template from here. Here is a button, you can click this and it will upload this. It will ask for a name. I have already saved it. It will ask for a name. You just name it and you save it. Okay. Next time, whenever you want, you can open it with this button. Just click it and you will get the chart. Everything will be drawn automatically. All right. So for now, happy trading folks. In next lecture, we will see the bearish ABCD pattern.